In this video, I'll guide you through how to reorder tasks in Microsoft To Do. Keeping your task list organized and in the right priority order can make a big difference in how productive and focused you feel. And luckily, Microsoft To Do makes this process very simple. First, make sure you're signed in and looking at one of your lists in Microsoft To Do. This could be your main task list, something like My Day, or any custom list you've created. You should see your tasks displayed in a vertical list, each one on its own line. Take a moment to scan your list and notice the current order. Maybe there's a task that has become more urgent or something that you've decided can wait until later. That's exactly when reordering tasks comes in handy. To change the order of a task, move your cursor over the task you want to reorder. On a touchpad or with a mouse, position it anywhere over that task's row. Now click and hold down the mouse button. Don't release it. You'll see that the task becomes grabbed, and as you continue to hold the button, you can start to drag it. While still holding down the mouse button, drag the task up or down the list. As you move it, you'll notice Microsoft To Do showing you where the task will land, usually with a subtle highlight or line between other tasks. This visual guide helps you see exactly where your task will be placed before you drop it. Take your time and slide it to the exact spot you want, whether that's right at the top for high priority items or further down if it's something that can wait. Once you've positioned it where you want, simply release the mouse button. As soon as you let go, the task will snap into its new position and the rest of the list will adjust around it. That's all there is to it. Click, hold, drag, and release. If you're on a touchscreen device, the idea is the same, but instead of clicking, tap and hold your finger on the task until it lifts or highlights, then drag it up or down and lift your finger to drop it in place. It's the same simple motion you might use in other apps that allow dragging items. You can repeat this process as often as you like, moving tasks around until the order matches the way you actually plan to work. A helpful tip is to review your list at the start of your day and drag the most important or time-sensitive tasks toward the top. As your priorities change during the day, don't hesitate to adjust the order again. Reordering is instant and doesn't affect the task details, due dates, or reminders. It only changes where the task appears in your list. If you ever feel like the list has become cluttered or out of sequence, just take a moment to click, hold, and drag a few key tasks into a more logical order. This small habit can make it much easier to glance at your list and know exactly what to do next. And that's how you reorder tasks in Microsoft To Do. Simply click and hold a task, drag it to your desired position, and release. And